right, you are watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Jeremy Ellis of POF USA, and we've got a new POF 308 rifle here, 7.62 gun, and AR, and gas piston op rod system, and he's going to take us through this gun.
Okay, so some of the new features we have for 2014, mainly the ones you can see right now, is the Gen-4 lower receiver. We have a proprietary built-in ambidextrous mag release now, modified bolt catch to be able to access this a little bit easier. We still have the same right side bolt release, but now you can actually catch the bolt with our new button design.
Your new bungee design?
Button design.
Button design.
Inside the lower receivers, and you can release the bolt from either side. Another feature we added to our lower, but this is not a good example to do it on this one, but there's actually 2 Teflon screws in there that actually keep the tension tight. That's why I'm not able to open up this gun momentarily. But our final and most important feature of all is something you can't see. It's inside the chamber.
Right. So it's inside here. If we can open the, maybe if we can open up the bolt a little bit, maybe we can sort of see in there. Not really.
You can't really see in there.
You can't really see in there.
It would have to be with lighting anyway.
Yeah.
But the video would also.
E2 is
E-square chamber design.
E-square chamber.
Our chamber actually has 4 grooves cut out in it. And what that does is, when the round's fired, it allows the rack pressure from that round to come back through those 4 grooves and actually
over the case. It comes back over the case.
Casing, correct. So you're watching the video of the round cycle. The gas will actually come back through with a slight delay at the bend, and it'll actually go through over the casing and push on the neck of the round to enable it to swell back down to help aid extraction and actually push on the neck.
It's like that sort of 40 to 45 degree or whatever that is.
So the delays happens there, the gas goes through, it actually pushes on the neck, smushes it back down, and helps it push the round back into the extractor.
Right, literally sort of floats it out. Kind of floats it out of the chamber. Sort of similar to what
HK did.
What? Yeah, HK did, right.
Except you can reload our brass if you wanted to.
Right. So instead of fluting, you've done this, and it accomplishes sort of the same thing as fluting without having to flute.
Exactly.
Interesting. So, all right, very cool. And so the E-square chamber is in all the POF guns, right?
Everything except for our base model gun for Cabela's, which is the one with the M4 style rail on it.
Right, but this
everything else for 2014 will have the Gen-4 features and the E-square chamber.
Right, and tell us about this rail system real quick. 14-inch rail.
We call it our 3-gun model. So we had people complaining about the 11-inch rail not being long enough for a guy with long arms or someone who likes to have their arm fully extended during shooting.
Right.
So we added 3 more inches.
Guys who like doing the C-clamp.
Exactly. The thumb over technique. You can actually get all the way out here on the rail. You pull the end of the rail if you'd like to. It's a lot more comfortable, especially for guys, bigger guys with longer arms who like to run 3-gun competitions.
Very cool. All right, and what does this gun run?
Retail is going to be right about $3,200 on our new Gen-4 designs.
Okay, and it's available now, or
they'll be shipping in March. So
shipping in March.
To your distributors in March.
Very cool. All right, thank you very much, Jeremy. Really appreciate it. POF USA at SHOT Show 2014, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.